I am eating an apple. She is reading a book. They are playing football. He is watching TV. We are studying English. You are writing a letter. The baby is crying loudly. The dog is barking outside. It is raining now. I am drinking water. She is cooking dinner. He is cleaning the room. They are swimming in the pool. We are walking to school. The kids are laughing together. You are dancing beautifully. I am listening to music. She is talking on the phone. He is running in the park. The birds are flying in the sky. We are painting the walls. The teacher is teaching math. The cat is sleeping on the couch. I am looking for my keys. She is drawing a picture. They are singing a song. He is fixing the car. We are planting flowers in the garden. You are packing your bag. The sun is shining brightly. I am brushing my teeth. She is washing the dishes. He is opening the window. They are riding their bicycles. We are having lunch together. You are helping your friend. The students are answering the teacher's questions. I am waiting for the bus. She is planting a tree in the yard. He is repairing his bike. The children are building a sandcastle. We are preparing for the party. You are searching for your phone. The waiter is serving food. I am putting my shoes. She is watering the plants. He is checking his emails. They are practicing for the concert. We are discussing the project. The train is arriving at the station.